Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today I will continue to talk about IP address and the MAC address. The first, let's talk about MAC address, also known as network card address. MAC address are carried in device like wireless network card and are unique identifier that are born into the chip. One is manufactured. Although there are some software tools that claim to modify MAC address, in principle, it cannot be changed. In our last video, we talked about how routers check IP address when forward data. But what's the role of MAC address? It's used by switch to forward data. For example, if a 24-port switch receives data from the first port and want to send it to a host, it must carry the MAC address. But how can the switch recognize MAC address? Because switch have a map called MAC address table. But how do you get this table? Because switch have the ability to automatically learn. When a switch starts up, it automatically records the source MAC address of data received from each port. Therefore, switch can check MAC address and then forward data. So we can understand the difference between them. MAC address are needed for switch data forwarding, and IP address are needed for routers. That's all for today's video. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. See you again, everyone.